क्योंकि इनके ऊपर मेरे को विश्वास है कि ये मेरे बेटे को ठीक करेंगे।
Some stories don't just touch your heart, they shake something deep inside you. And today's story from Puri Shri Mandir is one of them. Just a few days ago, a father from Rajasthan, Prakash Bhoi, was seen standing at the Lion's Gate, holding his unconscious son, Nikhil, in his arms. The boy had been in a coma for 1 full year. Prakash had come with nothing, not even hope, except his complete surrender to Lord Jagannath. That moment went viral and it stayed with all of us. Today, the same father has returned to Puri. But this time, he is not carrying a child in coma. He is carrying a miracle. Nikhil has opened his eyes after months of uncertainty, after nights filled with pain and prayers. The boy has finally come out of coma. And the father believes it is Lord Jagannath who has pulled his son back from darkness. Speaking in front of Shri Mandir, an emotional Prakash said, "I believe in the Almighty. There has been massive improvement. I don't have money for my son's treatment. If the Puri administration or the state government could help me. But the battle isn't over. The child, frail but conscious, now needs specialized treatment."
मेरा बेटा 1 साल से कोमा में था, रिकवरी में कोई सुधार नहीं था। मैं जगन्नाथ इसलिए आया हूँ क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरे को दिल से बुलाया है कि मेरे पास आ, और मैंने आया हूँ और धड़कन से सुन के, और मेरे बेटे में सुधार हुआ है। 8 तारीख को मैं आके गया था, उसके बाद ये पैरों से ऑटोमेटिक इसका ये रखता है ये, पर इसको अभी क्या है, शारीरिक ताकत की ज़रूरत है, मेरे पास पैसे की ज़रूरत है, वो ज़रूरत है।
And the father has exhausted everything he had. Devotees who saw him today could not hold back their emotions. One devotee said, "There should be treatment of the child. If the Odisha government helps him, it would be a great gesture." Another devotee made a heartfelt appeal straight to the Chief Minister, saying, "Mohan Majhi is the people's CM. I appeal to the Odisha CM to help the father and extend support for the child's treatment."
जगन्नाथ प्रति तार श्रद्धा अच्छी से ये आसिक जो ठाकुर बड़दाण्ड से गढ़े, लेकिन सरकार को किसी जो अनुदान ताकू मिले सुविधा मिले ट्रिटमेंट है सर बहुत आशा से बांधिकी अच्छी कि ओडिशा सरकार किसी साहाय्य करी साहाय्य करते बहुत भल हाँ।
आपण माध्यम अनुरोध करुच्ची ओडिशा सरकार को जेहेतु सुदूर आस्था गोटे आस्था विश्वास नहीं जगन्नाथ महाप्रभु पाखक आसती जदि से भल होगा से पिलाटा ताले ओडिशा गोटे ना रगन्नाथ ना रही मु अनुरोध करुच्ची आप जरिया ओडिशा सरकार को ट्रिटमेंट शीघ्र कर सुस्थ कर दियंतु।
For Prakash, this journey is not just another visit to Puri. It is a story of surrender, of hope, and now of survival. His son waking up is nothing short of a miracle. But miracles alone cannot fund medical treatment. As he sits near the temple, his son resting beside him, Prakash has no anger, no complaints, only faith. Faith that someone will listen to him again, just as the Lord did. And as he walks away from the Shri Mandir gates, one thing stays unshaken: his unbreakable trust in Lord Jagannath and in the people of Odisha.